Are you grappling with the notorious error code 32 while trying to log into Call of Duty Infinite Warfare? Rest assured, you're in the right place to unravel this mystery and bring your gaming back on track. The first thing to understand is that there's no official explanation for this error. From our research, it seems to crop up mainly when the game servers are either under maintenance or experiencing an outage. So, how does one go about resolving the Call of Duty Infinite Warfare error? Code 32. First and foremost, try turning off both your gaming device and your router. Give it a good 5-minute breather before restarting them. Once they're back up, check to see if the error persists. If you're still seeing that dreaded error code, it's time to test your internet speed. Ensure your internet connection is functioning without any hitches. Next on the checklist is the Infinite Warfare server status. Head over to support.activision.com/online services and pick the game from the drop-down menu on the right. The goal is to confirm that the game servers are online and free of any known issues. All clear on the server front? Great. Now, ensure that your game and gaming device are both updated to their latest versions. If you've ticked all these boxes and the error is still being stubborn, it's time to sit tight and wait a few hours. Sometimes these issues resolve themselves within this time frame. If the problem persists, it's best to reach out to Activision support and report the issue. In summary, to tackle the COD Infinite Warfare error code 32, you'll need to restart your gaming device and router, test your internet speed, check the server status, make sure everything is updated, and if all else fails, contact Activision support. Remember, persistence is key in the realm of gaming, not only for conquering virtual worlds but also for overcoming technical glitches. Happy gaming! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.